Hey V-Team, happy Friday. Let's jump into a recap of the week before we move on to some newer news. On Monday, we shared highlights from the week, including how we're fueling the love across the U.S. by surprising gas station customers with free gas. And on Tuesday, we met V-Teamer Jake Bucknat, who opened up about life with autism spectrum disorder and how joining Verizon ERG Advanced provided him with resources to continue learning and developing his skills. And on Thursday, we learned about MUT, which stands for Mobile Utility Transport Technology, our latest public safety asset, which is setting the stage for top-notch police cruisers. Well, first, I'd like to start by saying that our thoughts are with those affected by the wildfires in the Western U.S. As first responders work tirelessly to contain the fires and families are forced to evacuate their homes, Verizon is working to keep everyone connected when it matters most. For our consumer and small business customers impacted by the wildfires, beginning August 3rd through the 9th, Verizon is providing unlimited calling, texting, and data to those customers who reside in areas most impacted by the wildfires. To find out if your area is eligible, check your zip code in our story. And here's something to be proud of. Verizon remains the standard for network reliability, providing customers the most reliable 5G experience in the U.S. for the third consecutive test period, according to RootMetrics' State of 5G in the U.S. report. Now, this comes on the heels of Verizon winning Best Overall Network for the 18th time in a row in RootMetrics' U.S. State of the Mobile Union report. And it doesn't stop there. Verizon is supercharging the core of its fiber network by upgrading older router equipment with new equipment, capable of utilizing the latest 400 gigabits per second per port optical technology. This upgrade will significantly increase the bandwidth needed to support wireless, home internet, enterprise, small business, and Fios customers. And now for some Verizon business news. This Tuesday, we released the Verizon Mobile Security Index, which revealed there is a continued rise in major cyber attacks. Well, luckily, Verizon has many products and services like Business Mobile Secure, Mobile Device Management, and Mobile Threat Management to maintain the safety of our customers and address cyber security threats. If you want to check out the report for yourselves, check our story for the link. Now, we know it's important to be safe online, but it's also important to be safe on the road. And for many fleet managers, their main priority is getting their team of drivers home safely after their shift concludes. And according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, driver assistance technologies hold the potential to reduce traffic crashes and save thousands of lives each year. Well, luckily, Verizon Connect is unveiling its advanced artificial intelligence Dashcam. The Dashcam will provide fleet managers with a greater range of insight into dangerous events and in-cab coaching to alert drivers in real time of high-risk driving behaviors. What a wonderful way to leverage our technology for public safety. And as you know, here at Verizon, we always strive to support our local communities and are proud to be featured in the top 100 for healthy families and communities by Just Capital. This list is based on a range of issues, including worker financial wellness and DEI, climate and environmental justice, community engagement, product safety, ESG governance, and more. Thank you to our whole team in their efforts to support each other and our local communities. And while we're on the topic of impacting communities, one thing I love to do is update you all on our Call for Kindness campaign. And recently, Verizon spread kindness to St. Delmar's Loop in St. Louis with a new kindness mural, thanks to partnership with local artist Pete Eyes Walliger. The mural is an augmented reality mural that animates when you scan it with the Artivive app, and if you look really closely, you'll find a smiley face that represents kindness. Now, folks, let that be a reminder to always be kind to one another. And if you want to learn more about our kindness campaign, check the link in our story. And speaking of being kind, a group of V-Teamers in Phoenix, Arizona showed their Southwest swagger, as they like to call it, when holding an annual School Rocks backpack giveaway event organized in partnership with TCC, an authorized retailer. This is the 10th year of the giveaway, which means 10 years of giving back and making a difference for local communities in need. 1,200 participating TCC stores across the country will be hosting events to give away thousands of free backpacks, filled with school supplies for local students to alleviate the stress on families as they prepare for the upcoming school year. What a wonderful way to give back, team, and perfect timing because August is Back to School and Caregiver Appreciation Month presented by our PACT ERG. All month long, there will be events and volunteer opportunities in line with this month's theme, PACT Field Adventure, supporting and impacting Verizon families. And before I go, V-Team, don't forget to send in your summer vacation photos where your vacation time was made even sweeter thanks to the coverage you had on Verizon's network. Jesse Kuiper, Access Fiber Planner, enjoyed Verizon's coverage when he went on a 5-day canoeing and camping trip at the Saranac Campgrounds in the Adirondacks, New York, with his children and adorable dog, Tupper. And Steve Van Dinter, Communications Director, was able to get coverage at Deep in the Garden of the Gods in Colorado Springs and on the mountain peak of Tantalawis, Oahu. Thank you, Jesse and Steve, for sharing your vacation experiences with us, but we still want to hear more, so make sure to email us at good@verizon.com. And with that, I hope you all enjoy your weekends. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, you're up to speed.